to hold me in the dark and help me make it through. 'Cause the fire that's inside me is sweeping up the rain. If I have you here with me and promise me you'll stay, but will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Our life will surges through this land. Our sons are love and loyalty. It has been on the eternity. Oh, our love is the beautiful of time. Like what we play through the darkest night. God live inside us through the guidance God. Beloved, born to serve our country's pride. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
At lahat ng mga banal, naway pagkalooban kayo ng Diyos na mga biyayang inyong kinakailangan sa inyong pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Lakas ng isipan, kalusugan ng katawan, kapayapaan ng kalooban, pagmamahalan sa loob ng tahanan at ang ipay na magagandang hangarin sa buhay, ng ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.